Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go Autoplay. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go Autoplay, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about the application of Monopoly Go and you will enter here when you'll find it, in this page. Then you will go to click for stop. Here we click storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Monopoly Go. If you will find here update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.